Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Begin by measuring and preparing ingredients. Use 2 cups whole milk ricotta, 1/2 cup powdered sugar, and 1 tsp vanilla for a classic base. Drain ricotta in cheesecloth for 30 minutes to remove excess moisture so the filling holds shape. Optionally add 1 tablespoon marsala or 1 teaspoon orange zest for flavor to introduce an aromatic lift. While ricotta drains, chill a metal bowl and the beaters to keep the mix cool. Cold tools reduce separation and improve texture. Once the ricotta is well drained, transfer it to a chilled bowl and start mixing gently. Start with 1/2 cup powdered sugar and add up to 2 tablespoons more if needed to reach your desired sweetness without thinning the mix. Whip for 20 seconds to achieve smooth but slightly firm texture. Overbeating makes it runny. Fold 1/4 cup mini chocolate chips into the ricotta mixture by hand to keep air and texture balanced. Taste and adjust flavor with a pinch of salt if necessary. Transfer the finished filling into a pastry bag and trim to a 1/2-inch tip for piping a neat spiral into shells. Fill shells just before serving to keep them crisp and avoid sogginess. Assembled cannoli soften within 20 to 30 minutes. Garnish ends with extra mini chips, chopped pistachios, or a dusting of 1 teaspoon cocoa powder if desired. Store unused filling covered in refrigerator up to 48 hours. Gently re-whip for 5 to 10 seconds before using if it separates slightly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.